By light-absorbing particles. There are two words that you'll find consistently used in the scientific research for these light-absorbing particles, and it is chromophores or photoacceptors. Photoacceptors is easier to remember because they accept light. They're also what reflect light, which means they are what give different parts of your cell and body their color.
So it's day 3 of the beauty conference. Danny isn't with me today because she had to go to work. So I'm just taking a whole bunch of classes. I'm running over to Ulta. I'm running over to Ulta because yesterday we missed the braiding class, and I don't want to miss the braiding class again. Today is at 2:30 and it's 20 minutes to 2, and I'm gonna just stand over there. And yes, y'all, I'm wearing my business shirt because shoot, I promote everybody else's business. I need to promote my own. So yes, I am wearing my business shirt. But yeah, you guys, I'm super excited, and I'm sad that it's all over with. But it makes me excited to come next year because I pray that my business makes good money this year, so that way I can invest it into new products and new modalities next year, you guys. So all right, but yeah, you guys, it's just so many damn people everywhere. Hey, I made it to Ulta. Yes. Okay, you guys, so I got a new mannequin for the braiding class, and I'm so excited. We're going to be doing feed-in braids, which I definitely don't know how to do. I know how to braid, but not feed-in braids, y'all. Hi, thank you. What kind of braids are we going to be doing? Like not box braids? Oh, okay. I used to be a braider like back in the days, but I never learned knotless. Yes, I'm excited. Yeah.
I feel like if you know how to do the knotless, it's so much easier on your hands.
Yes, and that's why I stopped braiding, because I'm like, it's too hard on the hands. Yeah. But I do it every so often.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that thing.
Yay.
So if people have questions with braiding, we'll send them to you.
Okay, that sounds good. Alright, you guys, so we are back at Ulta for some knotless braids training. So in my previous video, I did discuss how we are not able to hear anything unless we are using the headphones. So you guys can't actually hear the instructor instruct because we can only hear her in the headphones. But pretty much they are explaining about knotless braids, how that is the most popular braids as of today, versus back in the day they used to get the knots around the braids. Now y'all are going to hate me, but I don't like knotless braids. As far as my hair, like I feel like with me having an active lifestyle and me sweating, the braids slip right on out. Me having a knot actually helps my braids to last a little bit longer. Now y'all might disagree or whatever the case may be, all of our hair is different, but I just feel as though knotless braids don't last as long as regular braids. But that's besides the point, you guys. So in this class today, we are just learning how to do knotless braids. And as I told you guys before, I did used to be a kitchen girl, but of course knotless braids was not popular back in the day. Like feeding in the hair wasn't really popular. So that is a new skill that I was trying to learn today. Now I'm not gonna lie, I was struggling. Like y'all can see, one of the Ulta staff members came over to kind of show me how to braid, because with me, I'm an underhand braider, whereas though a lot of people who do knotless braids, they braid overhand. So I mean, to me, I feel like braiding underhand is a little bit easier to feed the hair in the back, but I don't know y'all, but I know with me, I have a mean grip when it comes to braids, y'all. I will definitely snatch up any type of edges that you have, you guys, and my braids are really tight, but I just couldn't really, I can't really understand the concept of feeding in the hair, but because I'm really good at braiding hair, I can kind of finesse it, which is what you see me doing in this video here. And then also, we didn't have the braiding hair parting stand. I don't know if that's the correct word for it, but you know the little stand that they be spreading out the hair and all that type of stuff on there. So it was a little bit difficult. But as y'all can see, like I started going away with the braids, and one of the feedbacks that the lady gave me was that I needed to add more hair at the top. I was just kind of adding more hair at the bottom, but all in all, my braids still look good. And shoot, y'all, I was even more proud of myself because I can't braid when I have long nails, but clearly I can. I think this is probably the longest I can do, but usually I like for my nails to look like nubs if I'm about to start braiding. But I did pretty good to have some nails on as well, you guys. But let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about knotless braids versus the regular braids, the poetic justice braids that we used to get in back in the day. Do your hair slip out, and do your braids do not last that long when you get knotless, or do you prefer the poetic justice braids? Me and my partner next year both won the shampoos and conditioners. Our braids were really, really good, and I'm so excited I took this class, you guys. Now, granted, you know, I work with the extender and all, but see, I always was interested in doing hair, and it shows. This is my first time ever doing like not. used to do the ones with the
At the top. Yeah.
So my question is,
Go ahead. This looks good.
I braid under here. Would I have to change?
So the way you would do this, you know how you would feed it this way? Same way. So what I do is I'll braid 1 to 3 feet, 1 to 3 feet, 1 to 3 feet, and I'll feed it 3 times right away, and then I braid it and it's done.
Okay.
I won't need any more because I extended that length.
Gotcha. Right.
So I gave myself, I started with 30 inches, and now I literally just gave myself an additional 6 inches. So it don't need to be like 36 inches or 20 or 40 or whatever, right?
Okay.
So you can actually increase that length.
Okay.
So this way you don't have all of that. But I will say, if this is how tiny you want to keep it, this is small.
Yeah.
If you want this to be even tinier.
Oh, so I'm
So
gonna
this,
break it here.
yes, break it down even more.
Okay.
So this was good. Break it down one more. To the next one, break that down, and then break that, and then good. But if not, this base, you want this to be like that.
Okay.
But no, this is good though. Is this your first time?
My very first time.
I appreciate that. Thank you. No, that's good. Yeah, absolutely. Well, I'm glad you were able to come. You know, it's a big deal. So I appreciate your time. You know, and keep it up. You know, listen, it's a challenge. You know, trying to change that mindset. But it's also harder to change the mindset of your guests. You know, because I've had to shed. Unfortunately, I shed a lot of people because they were like, "Oh, now you think you're dirty. Now you think you're so good." And it's like, no, I just know that I'm worth more, and I know that you were taking advantage of me. Like I was also appreciate that the practice. So yeah, absolutely. It was a pleasure to meet you. Yes, thank you so much. What is your Instagram follow?
Alright, you guys, I pretty much finished up all day today. I was in classes all day today, you guys, and the beauty convention is starting to come to a close, you guys, just like this vlog. So of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this experience as much as I did. I spent a lot of money. I learned a lot as well, and I can't wait to apply it to my own business, you guys. So yeah, and don't forget to follow all of my social media listed down in the description bar below, you guys. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, you guys.
But I'm what you need. I know my high just started, but I hit a peak, yeah.